we'll guide you through how to make a PDF using Google Docs. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to Google Docs. Once you're there, either create a new document or open an existing one that you want to convert to a PDF. Take a moment to ensure your document is exactly how you want it, because the PDF will be an exact replica of what's on your screen. After that, click on the File menu in the top left corner of your screen. In the drop-down menu, look for Download and hover over it with your mouse. You'll see several options pop out to the right. Click on PDF Document, PDF, and your browser will automatically start downloading the PDF version of your document. You can then find this file in your Downloads folder or wherever your files are set to save. This method is super handy because it maintains all your formatting and layout from Google Docs, so you don't have to worry about your document looking different. If you need to share this PDF with others, you can easily attach it to an email or upload it to a cloud storage service. And that's it. You've successfully created a PDF from Google Docs. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.